If your sink and toilets keep turning orange, your water is staining your house. Health Canada lists iron as a concern in drinking water above roughly 0.3 milligrams per litre, and at that level or higher, it visibly stains fixtures, laundry, and porcelain. Orange or rust-colored rings in toilets, brown streaks in tubs, and yellowed laundry are almost always iron. It's especially common in Ontario well water, where iron from the surrounding bedrock or soil dissolves into the water supply. No amount of cleaner fixes the source. An iron filter removes the iron before it reaches your fixtures. That's the only place this problem actually gets solved. You shouldn't be scrubbing the same orange ring every week. Iron staining is one of the most frustrating water issues homeowners deal with because it looks like dirt, but it isn't. It's mineral oxidation. Cleaning the surface only removes what's already deposited. The next time water sits in your toilet or runs through a faucet, the iron starts depositing again, so the cleaning never really finishes. An iron filter treats the water itself, usually using oxidation and filtration to pull the iron out before it reaches your home. Once it's in place, the reoccurring stains stop forming. That's the difference between cleaning and solving. A metallic taste or smell in your water isn't normal. When iron in your home is at high enough levels, you can often taste it, which is a slight metallic or bitter note, or even smell it, especially with hot water. In some cases, iron is paired with hydrogen sulfide or iron-related bacteria. None of this is harmful at typical residential levels, but it's a clear sign your water needs treatment. An iron filter, sometimes combined with sediment filter or other treatment, addresses the actual chemistry. Cleaning fixtures and adding fragrance won't solve a water source problem. The fix has to happen upstream. If you already have an iron filter and the stains are still showing, the system needs service. Iron filters use a media bed that needs to be regenerated or backwash on regular cycle, depending on the type. Over time, the media can be coated or the system can fall out of sync with your actual water usage. The filter looks like it's still running, but it's actually not doing the job. The first sign is almost the stains coming back. A repair, a rebedding, value service, or recalibration restores the system instead of replacing it. Iron-stained sinks, metallic tasting water, and rust-colored laundry all point to one fix. Iron in the water is a source problem, not a cleaning problem. The only real solution is to treat the water before it reaches the fixtures, the appliances, and your laundry. Whether your home needs a new iron filter installed or an existing one serviced, the goal is the same. Stop the iron at the source and get your home back to looking the way it should. Superior Water Purification handles iron filter repair and installation across Ontario, including well water systems. Book service or get a quote at superiorwaterpurification.ca.